Alright guys, if you're watching this video, you obviously want to learn how to connect n8n to OpenAI, and it's going to be a very simple walkthrough. I'm going to do this in under 2 minutes, so I'm not going to get into intros because you don't care about that, but let's walk you through this. It's super simple. Now, this is the most common workflow you're going to see, is basically having a chat trigger, going to an AI agent, and then you have a chat model, which is most likely OpenAI, because that's what the whole point of this video is. Double click on that. You always have to go and click, drop down, click on create new credential. All you need is an API key. So how you get this, go back into Google, go to OpenAI API, it's your first one, click on that. Now the UI might be different, but all you gotta do is just understand what you gotta do here. So obviously you gotta log in. If you don't have an account yet, go through those prerequisites because you have to set up your email, name, all that kind of jazz, and put some money into it. So I'm under the assumption you already have that, so log in, go to API platform. This brings you into this screen. It might change, but understand where you're going. Top right again, click on your little icon, your profile. On the left side here, go to API keys, create a new secret key, call this demo. You don't need to do anything else, just create secret key, copy that, come back to n8n, paste that in there, change this up. I'm gonna call this demo, save, boom, you're done. That is literally how you connect OpenAI to n8n, and I did it under 2 minutes. So if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, because I got lots more integrations, lots more walkthroughs for you to help you get things going. So if you like that kind of stuff, my name is Palmer Joseph, and I'll catch you in the next video.